Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can add your name to the lock screen on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, you will need to go to the App Store app. And here you'll need to search for an app called AnyText. And when you find it, select AnyText widget. Open it up. And it will say download. Click download. This process will take literally a few seconds. And then open the app. And here you can easily add some text. You can add more than one widget here. So, first of all, enter your text. Next, at the top, on the right-hand side, click on the gear. And this is where you can customize how your text will look. First, you can customize the font of the text itself. What it's going to look like. As you can see, my text is changing. Next, you can choose whether it will be bold or not. You can also create your own font. Also, friends, you will be able to change the color of the text and the color of your background, for example. After you've done all of this, when you've made all the changes you want to make, press Done and exit this application. Now, friends, swipe on the screen on the left side from top to bottom. Tap on the screen. Then select Change. Then Lock Screen. And this is where you'll need to click right here, where you can add widgets. If you already have everything crammed in here, then you'll need to remove some of the widgets by tapping minus. Next, scroll down a little bit and select AnyText. And here you can choose what your widget will look like with your name on it. Once you've set that, click the cross here, and at the top, click Done. Now tap again on the lock screen and swipe up. And as you can see, now my text or my name has been added to the lock screen on my iPhone. This is how, friends, you can easily add your name to the lock screen of your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.